guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing for you guys. Now you guys know that I actually have two jobs, and one of those being a fashion blogger or influencer, whatever you want to call it. And I work with a lot of brands on a daily basis, and I always need to stay organized, and what better way to do that than with a journal. So today I'm going to be unboxing a really beautiful journal that I'll be using to kind of stay organized and make sure I meet all my deadlines, whether it's for work or for, you know, these brands and stuff like that. So I know that school is starting up soon, and you know, whether you're going back for college or you're going back to high school, whatever it is, even your job, always good to have some type of planner or journal. When I started using a journal, I really saw how kind of beneficial it was and how it kind of organized my thoughts and made me less like stressed and overwhelmed. So today's video I'll be sharing with you guys a journal from Mr. Columbus, and it comes in this beautiful box. Come in close for you guys. So as you can see, it's this nice little box. This is actually really, you know, nice for a gift or something like that. And then inside, you have like a little dust bag for the journal, so it's super high quality, super nice. So unboxing it, looks like so. And as you guys can see, it is baby pink. This is my favorite color, as you guys know. So I'm gonna come in close so you guys can get some close-up of the notebook. So firstly, right here it says dream every day, and it has kind of this leather closure right here. It has these little studs on the side. So this is the journal. It is a very nice size, as you guys can see. It's not too big, not too small, and it's really perfect to, you know, fit in your backpack or your purse. That's what I really like about it. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it for you guys. So there's this little leather strap like so. So it's pretty fancy and opens like this, and then you just open it like so. So this is like a really nice leather material, and then inside it has this nice kind of gray inside. And in here you're gonna have some places to put some cards or business cards, anything like that. That's always super nice, or like any notes, stuff like that. And then here is the actual journal part. So I'm going to start writing all my notes in here, kind of like on a daily basis. For work especially, I plan my days out, so I know like if I didn't do something for that day, I will do it for the next day. So I kind of plan out what my duties are for the next day. Spiral notebook in here. And then on the back you also have a bigger slot if you want to put any notes in here and stuff like that. So it's super nice little leather journal. And then there's also these really cute little tassels at the bottom, these little beads. This is like such a cute little, you know, gift idea or something like that. I love this. I think it's going to be aesthetically really nice to have on my desk at work and kind of just keep me motivated and organized throughout the day. It also comes in black, so if you are a guy or if you like black more than pink, you can check out that as well. And it also does come with this little bookmark, which is really nice, so you can kind of just clip it on like to wherever you're at, and it will hold it for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't wait to start using this. I think this is going to be a cute little accessory to use at work and just keep me organized, and it's very practical. I love that, you know, you can put it in your bag, it's not too big, and once again, it's a great gift. So I encourage you guys to go check out Mr. Columbus. This is their little leather notebook journal. It comes in two different colors, pink and black, and it's a super affordable price. Definitely check out Mr. Columbus. I'll leave a link in my description box below, as well as a discount if you guys want to get a percentage off on your order. So that is my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of this really cute leather journal, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!